we will use the linear pattern in the sketch, and then we will make a single cut of these holes. Okay, or we can make a single holes or two holes, and then we can pattern it, rectangular pattern. So we can do in the both the ways. So hole size is 15, so I will select on this face and I will say sketch. So if you see here, axis is passing through from here to here like this. I draw clearly. So axis is going from here and from this mid of this plate. Okay, so this dimension and this dimension would be symmetric, and here hole position is 25 from the edge, and from this is from 20 from this edge, and here is a it should be symmetric, so here is a 60. So we have all positions of the hole. So let's make it. So I will select hole and I will draw the hole, and position it is 150. Now let me clear my markup here. So here it is total plate is 200, that is the 50. So from edge it would be 25. So I will project my these two edges, one horizontal and one vertical, and I will select this point, and I will select this point, and I will give my horizontal dimension of 25, and from center it would be 30. So I switch to the here wireframe so that I can see my origin point here. So I will move my dimension here. So this dimension is 60, so I will select this point and this point, and I will say vertical dimension, and I will say it 30, and hole diameter size is 15, so I will select the hole and give my diameter of 15. Okay, same way I can draw from the other side. So we have 4 holes here, it is 50, so 25 25, and this is the 25. So if we minus this from 100, so it is 50 50 50. Okay, so so now we will use the linear pattern in the sketch. So we will select this hole and click on this icon, which is a rectangular array pattern, and here equal vertical or horizontal spacing, uncheck this, because if you check this then it will consider horizontal and vertical dimension spacing equal, but in this case our horizontal and vertical spacing is not same, because hole to hole here is a 60 and between horizontal hole it is a 25. So uncheck this unequal vertical spacing. So number of column we wants to, so this is the 1 column, 2 column, and number of rows we want 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now we will select OK. So once you say OK, so it will show you a line, and you can also find that approximate dimension. So here when I move my this line, this approximate dimensions change in the blue color. So if I say here my dimension is 60, so I will move my line very close to 60. Say I am on the 65, so I will say OK. So if you see here, it makes a rectangular pattern. Now we can change the dimensions. So this is the 60 dimension, this is the here vertical, so I will say 60, and angle is 90 degree. Okay, and this is the vertical spacing is 60, but horizontal spacing is 25, so I will say 25. Sorry, horizontal spacing is 50, so I will say 50, and I can move this dimension like this, like this and this. So this is the how we can use the rectangular pattern of the sketch. Now our sketch is fully constrained, so we will cross check our major dimension. So this is 60, 50 and whole dimension 50. So everything looks fine. Now we will close it and we will go to the flat lines, and we will create our whole features here, and the whole in a whole pop-up window we will give our diameter 15, and dimension we will say through all, no custom values, nothing. Now we will say OK, and now we have made these holes on the base plate. If you like my efforts and if you want to support me, you can buy a coffee for me. The links is given in the video descriptions. And if you like my video and my other video on my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon